Hello everyone, my name is Karthik. I am from Sri Aurobindo Society. On behalf of Sri Aurobindo Society, I welcome you all teachers for the most successful and innovative idea sharing platform ZIIEI. Today, we are going to discuss about various innovative ideas and also we are going to discuss about the learning process of students with a very fun and interesting atmosphere. And now we are going to discuss about a chapter called The Wind and the Sun. The chapter The Wind and the Sun is from NCERT syllabus. The chapter number is 6, class 2, subject English. So how we are going to learn this chapter? We are going to learn this chapter with the help of an innovative idea called naming word. So what are the innovations behind this innovative idea, naming word? Innovation behind this innovative idea are bringing ritual practice of naming into learning pedagogy and also building interconnections among the concepts being taught by replacing the actual name with the allotted name. So these are the innovations behind this innovative idea. What is the objective of this idea? The objective is to revise the concept of opposite words. So this is the objective of this innovative idea. How we are going to implement this idea? Choose individual names for each and every student in the classroom. Ensure that the name chosen should have the scope for value addition. Assign each student with individual names in the classroom. For example, roll number 1, hot. Roll number 2, big. Roll number 3, strong. Roll number 4, bad. So in this way, assign each and every student an individual name. And thereafter, after 2 days, add another word, that is add an opposite word to the existing word. For example, roll number 1 was named as hot earlier. Now after 2 days, roll number 1 will be named as hot cold. And another word is added, that is an opposite word is added to the existing word or name. Roll number 2 was named as big earlier. Now after 2 days, roll number 2 will be named as big, small, and opposite word is added to the existing word or name. Write all the individual names on the chits and distribute the chits among the students and ask them to attach the chits on their shirt pocket to make them to visible all the students so that it can be visible to all the students. So in this way the implementation process goes on. What are the learning outcomes of this innovative idea? The learning outcomes are the students able to draw or write words, the students able to write short sentences in response to stories and in response to poems, the students able to identify characters and sequence of events in a story or in a poem, the students able to express verbally, asking questions about the sequence of words and characters in a story, the students able to respond comprehension questions in a story, students able to collect records and interpret simple information, the students able to develop their core life skills such as critical thinking, effective communication and decision making. Even the poor learners can improve their knowledge, can improve the learning process, learning skills with the help of this innovative idea. Experiential learning takes the students from the abstract world to the real world. So these are the learning outcomes of this innovative idea. If you like this video, kindly like and share. Also, please subscribe Sri Aurobindo Society's YouTube channel ZIIEI. On another fine day, let us meet and discuss with another innovation. Until then, it's bye from Karthik. Thanks for watching.